Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Alight motion. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Alight motion. In this page of app info you will click on for stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.